Hey, what up everybody? My name's Anna, and if you have ever wondered, how do I get a man to chase me? What do I need to do? What do I need to say so that I can attract his attention? Then look no more. This is the video for you. Stay tuned because I have some juicy little tips to help you get that man to look at you and then admire you as the amazing, beautiful person that you are. Stay tuned. Number 1, be busy. You don't actually have to be busy, but just stop being so available and so quick to reply to his messages. Now, there's nothing wrong with being a little harder to get. Let him think that he's in charge. Now, don't go sharing this one around because guys won't like it, but men often like to feel that they are in charge, even if they're really not. They just want to feel like they're the ones making all of the decisions. Now, you can still be the one that's really in charge, but just be a bit stealthy about it. Let them think what they need to think. Ooze confidence. Men have a tendency to love women who are confident, and if you walk into a room feeling and looking confident, as if you don't need a guy, then it's going to make them want you even more. It's reverse psychology, but I promise you it works. Don't let them think that they are the only one. Now, guys love the chase, and if they think that they are the only one that you are interested in, they won't feel as much of a need to chase you. 5. Don't give him everything straight away. Now, giving him full boyfriend privileges straight away isn't going to make him chase you. Make sure you hold back a little bit. You could even say something as simple as, see, I don't do that thing. That's something that you gain when you marry me. Unfortunately, you're gonna have to cook for yourself. Number 6, you have a life outside of having a man. Sounds very counterproductive, this one, but if you show that you are happy without a guy around, that you've got friends, your job, your family, don't let them think that you need them around for you to be happy, and this will make you so much more attractive. Be a little mysterious. Okay, you don't have to tell them everything about your life on the first date. Keep some bits back for future dates. You can be a bit mysterious without coming off as distant. For example, if he asks you a question, you can say, I'm not going to tell the answer until we have our second date. This one comes at no surprise, but flirt. It's good to let him know that you are interested in him, so don't be afraid to flirt a little to show it off and casually touch him on the shoulder or something. Sometimes less is more. It can be good to keep messages short and sweet. It's nice to keep the longer stories for when you see each other in person on a date. Number 10, don't be too needy. I know that us girls struggle with this one because we just really like people and want to always be there. But remember, a guy wants to chase you and he can't chase us if we're constantly outside his front door knocking. Number 11, another one that we struggle with. Hold back on drama. Men don't deal with drama well, their brains just can't handle it. So when it happens, they will avoid it and shut down. So leave the drama talks to your friends. Don't do that. Guys do not want to hear any drama. I need a drink. Don't put all your focus on him. Come on, you know how it is. When you give them all your attention, they just don't seem to care. But the moment that you start ignoring them, then they are wanting your attention. Remember, if he's not good enough, be ready to give up on him. No matter how much you want to be chased by him, you have to hold him to some standards. High-value women say that if he doesn't meet your standards, no matter how fun the chase is, you have to be prepared to let him go. Sometimes you need to give just a little. Playing hard to get is fine and all, but some guys will give up over time. Know that it's okay and right to give a little from time to time. Let them know that you are a little interested too.